How to make a slip knot for left-handed knitters. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. Let's take a really close and slow step-by-step look at how to create our slip knot. To begin, you will want to unravel about 20 inches of yarn, and at that point, 20 inches in is where we will create our slip knot. I encourage you to just watch it once without my hands getting in the way, and then we can do it together. The end of our yarn, the yarn tail, is on our right, and the yarn ball is on our left. We're starting by making a loop. So take the left side of the yarn and place it over. And then the yarn on the left that is attached to the yarn ball, we are going to make another loop that is going to go right through underneath from the bottom, the first loop that we made. And then holding on to both strands of yarn, we simply cinch it into a slip knot. And that becomes our first stitch in knitting. And if this slip knot video for left-handed knitters is helpful to you, please like it up. It really helps me out. Okay, so get your yarn. Let's do this together. With the yarn in our left hand, we're going to make a loop and have the yarn go over. Let's do that one more time. We're simply taking our left hand and we're going to make a loop so that the yarn is over. So hold it with your two fingers there with your right hand, and then take the yarn that's attached to the ball and make another loop that is going to go from the bottom up through the top of that loop. Hold on to it, and then taking both strands of yarn, just lightly pull, and we've created our slip knot already. And you'll see it's a slip knot because it slips very easily. Unlike just a regular knot that's rigid, this can slip larger or smaller so that it will be fitting snugly onto our knitting needle to create the first stitch in knitting. So we're going to undo all of that hard work and we're going to do it again. Let's do it up close this time. Holding our yarn in our right and our left hands, we're going to take our left hand and we're going to make a loop by placing that yarn on top and holding it securely with our thumb and finger of our right hand. On the left, we're going to make another loop and bring it from underneath and up. Hold on to it and we just pull lightly and we have created our slip knot. Again, say it with me, the first stitch in knitting. Now that you have your slip knot, you are ready for the next step in knitting, which is casting on your yarn. I have some great videos for casting on, so check those out, including cast on instructions for left-handed knitters. I hope you are inspired to confidently make slip knots to begin your knitting projects. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here next time. Bye!